Hello, this is Ronnie. I am back here with a clip taken from a very long video that I just finished to record for my subscribers. 72 minutes video that covers many markets, and the focus this time of the clip is, as usual, is on precious metals. In addition, I would like to celebrate with you the fact that my channel on YouTube is doing really well. As you can see here, my channel has now 604 followers. I really appreciate your support. I appreciate your interest. Also, the recent video that I put just 1 week ago is showing more than 1,000 views. I think we are running at 1,000. Here you see 1,399, which is quite a bit of advance for my channel. So again, thank you very much. Thank you for all the comments, all the people who put comments on my videos. I read every comment. I don't always have time to respond to each comment, but I do read every comment. I appreciate your input. And if you're interested in the special offer, which would give you the chance to subscribe to my services for half price, really 50% of the usual price, please stay on after the clip ends. I will provide all the details then. So I hope you enjoy the clip. Hope to see you later. Bye now. Okay, this is gold price in US dollar. That's the weekly, and gold is finding it really tough. It's really tough task here to break through the other side of the channel that I have here, but I chose to start with gold in price in US dollars because it is the strongest pattern that I have that supports at this point in time the bull. It's not only the strongest, it appears to be the clearest. I often like to look at various charts in different currencies, and the one that appears to me the most stable or the clearest, I often gravitate to using it as my leading, if you like, my leading chart for that week or for that month. And in the case of this particular week, we have gold. You will see exactly what I mean in a sec. Gold basically suggesting that the struggle, this tough struggle, just look, this is the weekly, and look at the pressure applied by this line. You just can't ignore this line. It's there. It's absolutely there. And we have been now going sideways for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 weeks. 7 weeks of basically marching in place, and the pattern overall is still suggesting that the bulls have a good chance to actually win this battle. And should we break above the line here, should we break above the arrow that I'm showing you here, then you know we are going for the fifth leg that will complete the 5-wave run that began way back here. And all in all, that's going to potentially start quite a run. We break through that, and you see what's going to happen on the weekly scale, having witnessed here base building for the last 7 weeks. We could see a fast run from this level back towards the next level of resistance that you see here. Okay, so this is the potential, but it's up to Mr. Market, of course, to confirm that this is what he has in mind. We can't impose, or he just doesn't care about us. Mr. Market has his own agenda, and we just follow. We can't really force an issue, nothing. We can the best that we can do is adjust our expectations and adjust our behavior as things develop here. Now this is the daily, and again the issue of the 1-2, and we are up in a third, or we could be actually in a situation of an ABC. This is still possible. Right now this is the preferred reading. That's the 1, 2, 3, and I'm still working with this 4th wave. Look, there is really no reason to dump this 4th wave. Why should I dump it? It's going nowhere, and there is really no technical reason to dump this fourth wave. It's a question of patience, the way I see it. And here it is. It's showing you that's now the 60 minutes with a whole set of various ABCs that we have witnessed here. Okay, coming down, that's our A, that's ABC, that's our B, ABC, that's our C, and then ABC, that's our D. Yes, it just keeps going. And then you have your ABC, which could work out as potentially the final leg in this multi-week triangle. It is a good sign that gold shied away from 1330 up to now. Okay, it is a good sign. It is stronger than silver. You will see in a sec, both silver in dollars and in euro. So this is a good thing. This is a good thing for the bulls, and I would imagine that the run above the structure that I'm showing you here, above 1360, would potentially be the first signal that gold had enough with correcting, and it's now heading a lot higher. It hasn't run above this level now for quite some time, and I think that the pattern would look complete definitely if we see a run on Monday, Tuesday. We see a run above 1360 that could start that impulse wave. Okay, so this is the preferred reading at this point. Anything that sends gold way lower under 1330 and certainly breaking 1310 would be negative. And you know also that we have that critical level. I'm bouncing back here to the daily, the critical level, the very important critical level that we have at 1300. Okay, so these are, if you like, the limits that we should observe as it develops in the coming week. Now this is silver priced in US dollars. That's the weekly, and you will see immediately that I have adopted a different wave count here. We will see over time which one is the one, which one is the correct one. Silver in dollars on the weekly is showing me a potential for an ABC complete. That would argue that silver is basically going to continue to weaken in the weeks to come, and the all clear signal for the bear to take really full control here, in my opinion, would be a break under this black line that you see here, black arrow, that comes at around 17, just under at around 1770 or so. Do you see this area right here? I can give you the exact figure, but you get the structure. Yes, if you follow silver, you get this chart. That's the spot price for silver in US dollars. You really got to highlight in your chart this level. Okay, it breaks through this level. That's really bad news, especially if you get the weekly close. Okay, that will strengthen remarkably the hands of the bears and would suggest that we are probably dealing with an ABC, which, as you know, is bad news. It could send silver back to check 14 and then maybe even crash under that by quite a bit. But right now we close at 19.27, so we are talking about potentially a normal correction. A normal correction. We are, I'll show you on the daily, roughly at about 0.382 on the Fibonacci level here. So there is no justification in running with a bear at this point. What I'm doing, I'm just highlighting the danger zones for those who are bulls, okay, and the support zones for those who are bulls. What needs to happen for their case to prevail? This is now the daily. Now we are showing 1 to right here, or AB, okay. If this is an ABC right here that ended, then silver is just going to weaken and just continue down, okay. But I think at this point in time it's premature to run with a bear. Yes, I still think that there is good potential for the bull to reassert itself. This is my preferred reading. I take this still as 1, 2, that's 1, that's 2, that's 3, that's 4, and that's 5. In the case of gold, if you remember, we actually encapsulated all of that inside that fourth wave. So in case of gold, what we are saying is that we have actually a 1 2 1 2 3 4, but here we are saying something else. What we are saying is that we have a 1 2 and we have the move that started here actually complete at this spot. Just to make it absolutely clear, this is taken as one leg complete of 1 2 3 4 5 with a slight failure to top this level. And what starts from here is an ABC. Yeah, it could be a fairly complex ABC, and I do think there is room for further downside. Yes, not a lot, but further downside. And when you look at the Fibonacci levels, let me just get the perspective so that you can see the levels right here. You see, we go down towards 18.89, and all we do is just correct to the tune of 3.82. That's not a big deal. That's normal correction. That's normal correction. Look, we had all this run, and we're just coming down, correcting in what appears to me to be a classic ABC. So there's really no reason to abandon the bull. This is a normal correction, and the best thing that could happen, yeah, we might dip slightly lower, but when we bounce back towards 19.5, if we do bounce back this coming week, okay, we bounce above 19.5, all is well. As far as I can see, all is well with the bull, and we could continue to march higher. So this is the structure overall. Remember, this is taken as 1 2, that's 3, so that's a fourth wave, or it could be something even more bullish. That could be a 1 2, and that could be another 1 2. Over time, we will have further data, and that will help us to sort out the correct wave count to be used here. Now here's the 60 minutes of silver in dollars, and here we go right from the top of what is considered at this point in time to be the end of the 5-wave run. Do you remember that? And we start either as 3 is right here, and we're doing a huge fourth wave, or we are looking at 1, yeah, 1 on a lower scale, and that is the second wave. And I come down and I have 1 2 1 2 3 4 3 4 5, extended fifth. I have an ABC, that's an A, ABC, that's a B, ABC, that's a C, D, E. Okay, my B ends here, and I go down and I have 1 2. I think we have room to go here on the downside in the manner that I'm showing you here with the arrows, with a tiny 3 4 5, and that will complete the ABC. And then I really would like to see it bouncing back about 19.5. That will reassure the bulls that everything is on track. I may have to come back and revise this wave count. If it continues higher, I think the revision is not going to be material, in the sense that the main trend will remain up. Only a break through the black line will require really a material revision to this wave count, really suggesting that not all is well with silver. It could actually continue down. Now this is silver priced in euro, that's the daily, and here we have seen something that we haven't witnessed so far in gold and silver priced in US dollar. It actually broke through the 50 moving average. Okay, so this is definitely negative, but even so, we do not have technical justification of abandoning the bull. We can still argue that the bull is in command, is just going through a correction, and that is the case as long as it stays above this level. Do you see? Because once we break through this level, we cannot argue anymore that we are in a 1 2 3 4. And also here, as you already see that I am actually ending the move that started at this point. I am ending it right here. It's exactly the same choice that I took in the case of silver in dollars. Okay, that is the end of the move, and what is taking place here is a fourth wave that is relating to what you see here. Okay, I now go to the 60 minutes, and you'll see there is a pile of ABCs here. All sorts of combinations are possible. Here's just one of them. Okay, it's not written in stone. It could change over time, of course, but here's my preferred reading. Coming down from the assumed top, I have A, B, C. That's an A. ABC, ABC. In short, pile of ABCs around here, and all of this is being encapsulated as a B. Okay, you can actually work with an A, B, C, D, E. Yes, that gives you a triangle that is often taken as a B inside the corrective run. Okay, so that's your A, that's your B, and you can come down. You either see here another A, B, C, or in fact the drop from this level, it should be taken as 1, 2, and that opens the gate for further downside. Okay, look carefully here. That gives you the run of a C inside an A, B, okay, a C, a 5-wave run inside the C on the Brown scale. Okay, with this being an A, that's a B, and that gives you a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, and that completes the ABC, and at that point we would like to see a jump back about 17.5. That doesn't happen. It follows the other alternative that I drew here, and that's bad. That would definitely be bad news, because in my opinion, if it doesn't manage to recover, it tells you that something else is going on. This is just not right. It's just not right, and further fall would basically seal the life of the bull here. For now, we'll call for further lows. So pay attention if you're trading this contract. Hello, this is Ronnie. I'm back here with some details about the special offer that I promised you in the introduction. You need to go on my website here. It's www.wavemastery.com, and you land on this page, and you can access the special offer page. There are two ways in which you can access that. The first one is just under subscribe here. You put your mouse on that. That's the link that you want, special promotional offer, or you can find it also under resources. It's right down here. Do you see? Right down here. I'm not running through a full introduction of my website, but you are most welcome to have a look around. There are quite a few things that could be of interest, especially if you're interested in charts. There are plenty charts here that the charts could give you a very good idea what I'm doing. If the videos are already not enough, this is going to definitely fill up the cap for you as far as knowing how I address charts on various timescales. Okay, and they cover many years. In short, quite interesting for those who are following or interested in charts. And there are various things that you might want to take a look. But let's jump straight to take a look at the special promotional offer. It's right here. It expires on the 4th of September. Okay, and you can actually have a trial for only €1. Okay, the trial for €1 is applicable whether you go for the daily service or the weekend service. A daily service is exactly what you hear, is covering the daily videos and also the weekend service, meaning the weekend videos. So the daily is inclusive of the weekend service. The weekend service gives you access only to the long videos that I record on the weekend, and sometimes I insert a bonus midweek video, so that is what you're going to have covered in the weekend service. The €1 trial will give you 1 week access to the daily service and 2 weeks access to the weekend service. Okay, and if you like what you see, you do nothing, and the PayPal plan will basically take you on to the scheduled monthly payments, and as I said, it's going to be 50% off. So the daily service normally costs 159, as you can see here, €159 per month. So you're going to have it for 79 only, and there's going to be VAT charges if applicable. Now the VAT issue is basically a European issue. If you're outside Europe, most chances you're not paying. If you are in Europe, you're going to have to go through the list here. You see, I classified because each country, believe it or not, has got its own level of VAT, so I have to be pretty careful with that. Here, Germany and Cyprus are sitting on the same level of the VAT. So the price of 79 will go to 94. Austria, Bulgaria, Estonia, France, Slovakia, they share the same level of VAT. So you see, and you just look through the list, which country fits your situation. As I said, if you are not in Europe, or if you are in Europe, you happen to be in Belgium or in the UK, then you're lucky. There is no pay of VAT. If you're in the US, no pay. If you're in Asia, you don't need to pay. You use this link, and that should serve the purpose of putting you on that plan. The bottom section of this page relates to the weekend video service. Okay, as I explained, €1 will take you for 2 weeks. Yeah, will cover 2 weeks. After 2 weeks, you get the service at half price. Normally it's 59 per month. You'll pay only 29 per month. And again, the same issue of the VAT applies also here. And if you're outside Europe, you need to use the link that with the title here, subscribers in UK, USA, Belgium, and other non-EU countries. Okay. Let me just show you quickly what happens once you click. Let's say you are from the US or UK or Australia. Okay, you click on that. That takes you to the payment page on PayPal. Now, I suppose you have an account in PayPal. If not, you'll have to open one, because I have only one payment option on my website. I could arrange for an alternative payment, and that is feasible, but not for a trial, and not for just 1 or 2 payments. It's only for people who are interested for a longer period of time. But if you have an issue with PayPal and you don't like to use PayPal, get in touch with me. There is a way that we can work through something, but it's not so simple. Now, concerning the payment page here, for example, you can see the special offer. It gives you the description, what it's about. The €1 for the first week, and subsequently it's 79 for each month, and that's going to be good for 12 months. Okay, as I said, you're going to get the first year at half price. If you have an account, you press here. That takes you straight to your account. If not, you have to go through that. You have to fill in what is required. Once you pay, remember, once you pay, it takes you back to the website to fill in the membership form. Okay, and on that form, you're going to have to please mention the country where you come from, because of the VAT issue. Yes, I need to show, I need to justify why you don't pay VAT. So if you come from any country that is not subject to VAT according to the list that I provided, please mention your name. Even if you come from Europe, I do need to know the country you come from, so please don't skip that. Sometimes people fill in the details very quickly and they skip the country, but I do need this information. I appreciate if you are attentive here. Once you fill in the membership form, you're going to proceed to the relevant page with the links to the videos classified by date. So if you subscribe to the daily video service, you're going to get the page, the relevant page, yes, with all the links, also with the archive going back several weeks. If you subscribe to the weekend service, you're going to see the links to all the weekend videos and the bonus midweek videos that I provided them with. So that's basically it. If you have any issue whatsoever, there is something is not clear, you got stuck in the payment procedure, there is something that you're not happy with, or whatever, I don't know what can come up, you just go there. Okay, you go there, you write, you click on that, you write your name. Please put clearly your email address. Make sure, double check that it's correct. Okay, because if I don't have your email address, however much I want to contact you, I will be at a loss of resources. I can't reach you. You understand? You really have to make sure you write the right address. Give me a description of the issue. Fill in this button here. Yes, this space here with the right amount. Click submit, and I'm going to get it. Just remember that I'm in Belgium. So if you write to me in the US while I am having my rest, of course, I will not be replying promptly. The same if you write to me from Asia, So please bear with me. Consider the time zone that I'm living through. But as soon as I see your email, of course, I will respond. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me, even if at this stage you are not sure what you want to do. You simply have a question. Don't hesitate to get in touch with me. I'll do my best to answer your questions. And once you're a subscriber, even on a trial, I welcome specific questions on market setups. So, for example, you're interested in a certain stock in a certain market, you have a trade in mind. I cannot give personal advice, but what I can do that is something that I think could be quite useful. You can send me a question on a certain market, and then I'm going to proceed to do a fairly detailed technical analysis and provide you this analysis either through the video, yes, to share it with everyone, or I'll send you some charts with explanations, and you're going to have the information at your disposal. You will then, it's up to you to make a decision how you want to proceed in that particular trading situation. So that's all for this explanation. I hope to see you on my website. Hope to help you, to have a chance to help you as much as I can, and all the best. Bye now.